Guys, I pick up fresh catnip in my garden. Look guys, my two lovely kitties there. That is most catnip boy. Look. Badudong! Here, Badudong! Look guys, she's crazy. She's gonna be crazy. Badudong! My Badudong! You see that guy? You see that guys? Oh, my Badudong. Oh. Hi, Badudong! Hi, Badudong! Look at that, guys. My Badudong. Here, Badudong. Oh, my Badudong. That's my Badudong. This is my Badadang. That is girl, Diana. And that is Apollo, my Badudong. Right? Right, Badudong? My Badudong loves catnip. Loves catnip. Especially it's fresh. It smells so good. It smells so good, my baby love. It smells so... Oh, look. Yeah. It's too tiring to cultivate all my garden. Thank you for watching and good night.